Today we shall discuss exercise 3.5 question number 5. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in form of its prime factors. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. Now the smallest digit. Now first of all we know that if we take natural numbers starts from 1, 1, 2, 3 like this 1, 2, 3. These are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot, right? If we take the smallest 1-digit number in natural numbers, then it is 1. If we take the smallest 2-digit number, then it is 10. If we take the smallest 3-digit number, then it is 100. If we take the smallest 4-digit number, it is 1000. If we take the smallest 5-digit number, then it is 10,000. Right? This is the smallest 5-digit number. And express it in form of its prime factors. We'll express 10,000 in its prime factors. Right? 10,000. Now, you see that the last digit is 0. Therefore, it will be divisible by 2. That is 2. We are dividing by 2. 2 5 is 10 and 0, 0, 0. Again, the last digit is 0. Therefore, we can divide it by 2 again. That is 2 to the 4, 10, 2 5 is 10, 0, 0. Again, you see the last digit is 0. Therefore, it is divided by 2 also again. That is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 10, 2 5 is 10, 0. Now, the last digit is again 0. It is also divisible by 2. Therefore, we are again dividing by 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 10, 2 5 is 10. 625. Here you see the last digit is 5. Therefore, it will be divisible by 5 only. Right? It is 625. We are dividing 625 by 5. That is 5, 1 is 5, 6 minus 5, that is 1, 2, 5 2 is 10, 2, 5 down, and 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. Right? That means we are getting, if we divide 625 by 5, we are getting 125. 125. If we divide, last digit is 5, therefore this is also divisible by 5 again. That is 5 2 is 10 and 12 to 25, 5 is 25. And again, if we divide 25, that is 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25. And what are the factors of 10,000? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Right? Therefore, we are writing here that is 10,000 is equal to 4 to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 4 5, that is into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Right? Again, we are repeating that write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. Right? You see that is, if we take natural number starts from 1 to 3. If we write the smallest 1-digit number in natural number, it is 1. If we take 2-digit number, it is 10. If we take 3-digit number, it is 100. If we take 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number, it is 1000. If we take the smallest 5-digit number, it is 10,000. Here you see 10,000. We have found out the prime factors. Since the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 2. That is 5,000. Again dividing by 2, we are getting 2,500. Again divided by 2, we are getting 1,250. Again dividing by 2, we are getting 625. And here you see 625 is divisible by 5. That is 125. And again dividing by 5, we are getting 25. 5 5 is 25. Therefore, the prime factors are 10,000 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. These are the prime factors. This is the solution of question number 5.